Okay. Are you feeling? Okay. So welcome guys to my very first unboxing video. Okay, we're going to unbox some gym equipment that I bought from Rogue Fitness and Amazon. Just a few gym equipment. So let me go get them. You know what? I probably should remove my name and address first and get a cutting knife. 1 second. So I didn't find any unboxing knife, but guess what I found? A kitchen knife.
We have an unboxing knife.
Oh.
Daily. Come to the shop.
Okay. So you were just waiting to let me know?
Yes. I want to see you screw up first.
You evil, man. I think I have everything. So I ordered a few things from Rogue and some others from Amazon. I do remember some of the stuff that I ordered and the rest kind of forget. Let's start with my favorite, Rogue. I don't really know how to use this thing, but oops. What the hell is this? I swear to God, I have no idea what this is. I ordered a plyo box. I guess this is the plyo box. It looks so dirty. Oh my gosh. Ouch. It's okay.
Sorry about that.
It's okay, baby. So this is the plyo box, babe. Jeez. I don't like how it looks, I can tell you that much. So I bought a plyo box to do my pull-ups. I'm too short and I have to be jumping, you know, to get to those bars. That's why I ordered the plyo box. I thought the small would be too small to do other exercises. That's why I got the 18-inch, but I think it looks too tall. Anyway, we will have to set this up later and we will show you, okay? We're not gonna go through all of that right now. Okay, this is how it works, okay? On to the second box from Rogue as well. Aha! What is this? Oh, okay. Okay. So my husband had absolutely no idea what I ordered. So right now he's behind the camera making some crazy faces and shaking his head like, I can't believe her. Okay. So I got this too from Rogue. I definitely need some new lifting. How does it look?
That's like your what? Your full belt?
Yep. Yep. Look back at it. Look.
How the belt can lift the weight?
Yeah, the belt will lift the weight while I just sit there, okay? Okay. So I actually bought 2 belts. One that will be high enough to support my whole back. Ta-da! This is the second belt. It seems a little bit smaller and shorter in length than I expected. Like all the way like from like this, but I guess it's fine. How does it look, babe?
Looks good, babe.
Looks good? Yeah. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it on, you know. It can hide my belly a little. I also got some barbell cleaner. We got the Ohio barbell. I don't want it to ever get rusty or something. So I got those barbell cleaner thing for it. Onto this one. Guys, I will mention the price in the video. So I got some sandbag as well. Okay. I think this is the filler. I think this is where you put the sand in. I'm not sure though. But yeah, I think this is the filler. And this must be the actual bag. Yeah. Okay. I got it in size medium. I was doubting if I should get the small one. I was not sure, but I think I got the right size. You know.
That's not how you do it.
I know, but there's nothing inside. Whatever. But yeah. Rogue sandbag. It looks good though. It does, right?
You use that for travel, right?
Let me open this one first. Okay, so this is from Amazon. This is some ankle weights. I got this one from Amazon and they are 20 pounds each. This is really heavy. I don't think you can just put this on and walk around the house with it, or you can put it on and go working with it. This is definitely for working out. Like you put it on because you want to work out. Should I try it on? Why not? Just okay. This is how it goes. 20 pounds. 20 pounds on your ankle. But yeah, it doesn't feel that heavy on my foot as it did when I held it. Woo! Ah! It's pretty heavy. Let me go with the Bosu balance pods. I got this from Amazon as well. When I ordered the Bosu ball, I saw this one on the internet and I thought that it was pretty interesting, all the workouts that you can do with it, you know. There's so many things that you can do with this thing. Is it a waist?
Yep.
I don't think it is. They are so cute. I also have something else from Bosu. Bosu is the brand though, not the shop. Sliders, core sliders. My husband's favorite. Did you know I ordered something like this?
I don't know, babe.
Okay, there you have it. Valentine's gift. How do you like it? You appreciate, right? Good.
What's up?
Yeah. Let me open it. Man, I tried these things at the gym and they are just too hard for me. But all of these things, I'm gonna be working with them. No more excuses. So even this, I will be working with it. No more excuse. Sliders. I don't know if you can see on the picture how to, use it. Anyway, don't worry. I will probably put a picture somewhere and show you what you can do with this thing. So, from Bosu brand as well, they were so cheap. I think they were probably the cheapest thing that I got from the whole bunch. They were $11, I think. Yep. And then now on to the Bosu ball itself. Boom. Boom. This is the Bosu ball itself. And I honestly thought that it would come the way that we usually see it, but it looks like I will have to put some air in it. And I'm not too happy about that. Sorry. Whoops. So this is the Bosu ball. I'm super excited about this one. Trust me, guys. This is gonna get me looking like J-Lo, okay? Nah, just kidding. I like looking like myself, okay? I don't want to look like anybody. But anyway, I'm super excited about this one. At the gym, I always try to use it whenever I can. It's none of my favorite because it's super, super hard to work out with. But it does, it gets the job done, you know. Babe, how do we get this to go up?
I'm assuming we're gonna have to add some air.
I hope not. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, this for this one. Oh, it comes with a pump. It pays to look in the box and see what else is in the box, I guess. So that's the pump. Okay, makes everything easy. We don't have to go somewhere to get some air. Manual. Who needs this? The last item of the bunch. I bought it from Rogue. I think that's the exercising mat. Yep. The exercising mat. Oh, I like it. But I ordered the black though, and I got the gray. What the hell? I know they had two choices on their website. They had a black and a gray, and this looks like a gray to me. But it's a Rogue thing, and it doesn't come from Rogue, but it's a Rogue thing. Clearly, look at this. Rogue. So that's strange. Honestly, I like it so far. I like this about it. You know, we already have an exercising mat. I don't know if you've seen my home gym video where I showed the exercising mat that we had. We have that one from Rep Fitness and it retails for $20. This is from Rogue and it retails for $80. Why did I get this? That one is a foam exercising mat, and we definitely need a flat exercising mat. So that's why I got this right here, and it's super big. It's wide and big. I love it. I'm actually surprised. So we are going to put the plyo box, the little chair. We are going to put it together and fix the Bosu ball. Honest, this is the lowest quality that I got from Rogue so far. It came broken, as you can see, and every time we put the screws in, you will see the plastic kind of bends, you know.
Look at the bottom.
Which one? Oh, this here. Yeah, right. Then you will see the plastic bend a little or even break. So although it seems sturdy, I have to say this is definitely the least quality that I got from Rogue so far. And the fact that it came broken, I don't know how I feel about that. Next one. Okay. The next setup is this thing. I was gonna... Everything in the either in the description box below or in this video, and you will definitely see a whole lot of workouts of us using all of this. Okay, what else? I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you have any question, or you would like to see more of these type of videos or whatever, just put it in the comment section down below, and like this video if you did like it, if you thought that it had any value. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the great, amazing videos we have coming. So yeah, that's it, you know.